Hello and very good evening to all the students. So students, let's begin our today's session, and in today's session we will do exercise 2.4 of NCERT class 7 maths textbook. Okay, and in this session we will learn how to solve division of a fraction. Okay, so without any further delay, let's start our session. Okay students, so let's begin this session, and here we will do exercise 2.4, and this exercise is just division of a fraction, and in this session we will solve question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so let's begin it. And question number 1 in NCERT is given as find 12 divided by 3 by 4, that is 12 divided by 3 by 4. So how we will solve? Just say we will just simply do division, and we all know that when we do divide we will have to convert it into multiplication, and for this multiplication we just do its reciprocal. So what is reciprocal will be? Yes, correct, it will be 4 by 3. So it will be very simple, and we just solve it, and here it will become 16, because 3, when we divide 12 by 3, it will be 4, and 4 cross 4 is 16. So this is a very easy question, and now we will try to solve its part 6. So what is part 6? Part 6 is 5 divided by 3, 4 oblique 7. So this is also very easy. How we solve it? You just see here. We will just write it here as, and we will just solve it. How we will solve it? We will first do its multiply and then just add it. So what will be the solution? It will be 25 upon 7. Okay, so now we will do its multiplication, and it will be 7 upon 25. So what will be the solution? Its solution will be 7 upon 5, or 1, 2 upon 5. Okay, so you can see how easy these questions are, and part 2, 3, 4 and 5th you will do with your own self. Okay, because these are very easy. And now we will just do its question number 2. Okay, so you can just note from here. Okay, I think we have just noted down. Now we will do its question number 2, and question number 2 is now on your screen also, so you can just look here. So what is question number 2? Find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Okay, so we have to just find reciprocal of fractions and classify the reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole numbers. Okay, so this is also a very easy type of question, and here we will just find its reciprocal, and first question is given as 3 upon 7. So what will be its reciprocal? So for finding reciprocal we will just do like this. We will just divide 1 divided by 3 oblique 7, and in this way we can just find its reciprocal. Okay, so what will be its solution? It will be 7 upon 3. Yes, correct, 7 upon 3. And now here we have to express it also in proper fraction, improper fraction and whole numbers. So which fraction will be it? Here you can see numerator is greater than denominator, and in such type of situation it will be, yes, correct, improper fraction. So this is improper fraction. Why improper fraction? Because numerator is greater than denominator, and for proper fraction numerator must be less than denominator. Okay, now we will try to solve question number part number 2 also, and part number 2 is given as 5 oblique 8. So we will just do it as simple, 1 divided by 5 oblique 8, and it will be 8 oblique 5. So here also it is improper fraction. Okay, now we will try to do its part 3rd also. So let's begin third part. Third part is 9 upon 7. So we just divide it by 1, and its reciprocal will come. It will be 7 oblique 9. Okay, why it's already 7 oblique 9? Because when we multi, or we can just write it in one more part, 1 cross 7 oblique 9. So what will be 7 oblique 9? Okay, and here you can see numerator is less than denominator. So which type of fraction will be? It will be proper fraction. Yes, correct. It will be proper fraction because numerator is lower than denominator. Whenever situation comes when numerator is greater than denominator, then it will be a proper fraction. Okay, now we will try to find this question number 6. Rest you can do with your own self also. And question number 6 is written as 1 oblique 8. So we will just divide it by 1 oblique 8, and it will be 1 cross 8 oblique 1. So what will be it? It will be just 8. And which type of number it will be? Yes, correct. It will be whole number. Why whole number? Because there is no fraction in it. So it will be a whole number. So you can see these are very easy question, and you can do with your own self also. So just note down, and rest question you can do with your own self. Okay students, now I think that we have noted it down. So now we will just do question number 3. And question number 3 is also on your screen, so please look carefully. What is question number 3? And here we have to just find it. Find it means just we have to do it in simple form. So here question number 3 part first I am writing here. It is 7 oblique 3 divided by 2. Okay, so it is also very easy question. Here it will be 7 oblique 3, and when we change its form, that is divided into multiply, then it will be 1 oblique 2. Why? Because its reciprocal will be 1 oblique 2. So now we will solve it. It will be 7, and here it will be 6. And we have to just solve it in simple form. So it will be 1 oblique 6, and this will be your solution. So these are very easy questions, and you can also solve with your own self. Now we will do question number, it's part 4th. So what is part 4th? Part 4 is 4 1 oblique 3 divided by 3. Now we will solve it. It will be 13 oblique 3, and it will be just 3, or we can all simplify it. It will be 1 oblique 3. So what will be the solution? It will be 13 upon 9, or we can say it as, yes, correct, 1 4 oblique 9. In mixed fraction form, it will be written as 1 4 oblique 9. Now we will try to solve question number 3 part 6. That is last part of question number 3, and here it is given as 4 3 oblique 7 divided by 7. So now we will solve it. How we will solve it? It will be, we will just convert mixed fraction into just fraction, that is it will be a improper fraction. So how we will solve it? We will just first multiply and then add it. So and then it will come 31 upon 7 divided by 7. And now we will solve it in multiplication form. So here it is multiplication form, and now we will multiply both the numbers, and it will be 31 oblique 49. And which type of fraction is this? Yes, correct. This is a proper fraction. Why? Because denominator is greater than numerator. Okay. So you can see how easy these questions are, and rest you can do with your own self also. Okay. Now we'll try to solve question number 4. So if you want to note it down, so please note here. Okay students, now we will try to solve question number 4, and question number 4 is now on your screen also. So please look and read carefully. And in this part also we have to just find. What find? We have to just do it in lowest form. So question number 4, I am doing its part first. Question number part first is 2 oblique 5 divided by 1 oblique 2. So how we will solve it? Just look at here. We will just write it 2 oblique 5, and when we will convert it into multiply, then it will be reciprocated. Okay, so reciprocal of 1 oblique 2 will be 2 oblique 1. and here it will be 4/5, or we will write it in, no, we cannot express it in mixed fraction form, because here denominator is greater than numerator. So which part of its fraction will be? Yes, correct, it will be a proper fraction. So this is very easy, and now we will try to solve its part third. Part 2 you will do with your own self, and part 3 is given as 3/7 divided by 8/7. So we will solve it. We will first convert it into multiplication format, and here it will be 7/8. So 7 and 7 will be cancelled. It will be 3/8. So these are very easy, and you can do with your own self also. And now we will do it part 5th. Alright. Part 5th is written as 1/2 divided by 8/3. So we will solve it. We will solve mixed fraction. It will be 7/2, and here it will be 8/3. And we will more simplify it. It will be 3/8. Now here we will just multiply it. 7 3 are 21, and 8 2 are 16. Okay. So we can write it as mixed fraction format also, because numerator is greater than denominator. So it will be 1/5/16. So we have solved it, and now we will try to solve its last part. Okay, and last part is question number 8. And question number 8 is given as 1/5 divided by 1/5. Okay, here it is just a mixed fraction, and we will just make it in fraction part, that is proper or improper. So we will just solve it, and it will be 11/5 divided by 6/5, and we will more simplify it. It will be 5/6, and now here 5 and 5 will be cancelled, so it will be 11/6, and this is a correct improper fraction. So we will write it down also in mixed fraction. So it will be solution 1/5/6. Okay, so students, you can just note it from here. Okay students, now I hope that you have understand how to solve exercise 2.4 of NCERT class 7 textbook. And if you like this session, then you can share to your friends also. Please like this channel and also subscribe for getting more notification of this channel. Okay, and now we will meet in some other session also. Okay, thank you students.